back in August, my wife and I moved our Cougar 316 RLS to our property and moved in here full time. I saw some trees as I was backing into it, and I knew there were going to be a problem, but I did punch. Didn't realize how badly I punched a hole right through the side of our trailer into the closet, the bedroom closet area. Actually, someone had to ask me. I looked in the closet and found where we'd punched the hole clear through. I called All Done RV Repair. They were the only ones who'd come to on site and repair it. And but they came out, they fixed it, they painted it, and put the decals back on. And you can't tell that they were ever here. I am very, very thankful for the work that they did. We're ready for the winter.